The pond in. Now have you go. Let you put. Okay. Oh, is that how it goes? You can't. Okay, we need to go to this one straight away. Okay, press that one across. Oh, okay. Well, you don't want to stay there, love. Yeah, once you leave him go, it won't go any further. Once you stop, that's the furthest it'll go. This one's quite rubbish. Looks like you won't be getting this.
There's no point in doing a coaching if they don't have that grip thing on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I went a bit too soon. Yeah. I think it's the head you need to go for.
It isn't.
Okay.
You see, normally,
Oh.
look, it needs one of those, do you see on there?
Yeah.
There should be a little latching